the nose, the mouth, and the neck. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's assess your external ear. We're assessing the helix and the pinna. Have you feel any pain?
No.
As I palpate your ears, have you feel any pain?
No.
The pinna is springing back. The helix is flexible. Have you feel any pain?
No.
Here, have you feel any pain?
No.
So now, let's proceed on checking the earwax and the inner ear. The ear is okay. Let's check the other ear. The ear is also okay. There is no signs of blocking. There is no signs of blockage of earwax. So now let's proceed to whisper test. I am a swimmer. Do you hear me?
Yes, I am a swimmer.
Okay, repeat after me. I am a swimmer.
I am a swimmer.
So, the whisper test passed, and if the patient didn't hear anything, you will proceed to Rins test and Weber's test. Do you hear both ears?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me if the sounds pitch lowers.
Pitch lowers. Pitch lowers.
So, it's normal. Tell me if the pitch go lower.
Lower. Lower.
Okay, now? Her hearing is normal. Now, let's proceed to the Do you feel any pain?
No.
Now, let's proceed on breathing test. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do you have difficulty in breathing to the left and right?
No.
Okay. Now, let's proceed to the checking test. Now, can you look up for this to the ceiling for me? Okay. It's okay now. There is no visible swelling or redness inside the nose. Now, let's proceed to the smelling test. In here, I have mint, and in here, I have strawberry scent. Can you smell precisely? What is the smell?
Mint.
Okay. Now, can you smell precisely?
Yes.
What is the smell?
Strawberry.
Okay. Now, we're done. The patient's assessment is normal. Now, let's proceed to the assessment of the mouth. As I palpate your head, so please tell me if you feel any pain. Open your mouth. Close. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay now? Close. Open. Close. Okay. Now let's proceed to the internal mouth. I will check the lips, the oral cavity, the lips, the teeth, the uvula, and the mucosa. Now open your mouth. Open your mouth only. Close it. Now, the lips are symmetrical. Now, open your mouth. Bring the uvula is okay and it's reactive. Now, let's check your mouth. Say ah. Say ah.
Ah.
The tonsils are okay. The uvula are reactive. Now let's check your tongue for swelling. There is no visible swelling in the tongue. Move your tongue outside. Move your tongue left and right. There is no visible abnormalities inside the tongue. Can you show your teeth? Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. There is no visible swelling or cavities in the teeth. Now, let's proceed to the assessment of the neck. And first, make sure that you will to avoid contamination. Now let's proceed to the assessment of the neck. Tell me if you feel any pain. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Do you feel any pain?
No.
The neck color is normal and there is no sign of swelling. Now let's proceed to the neck movement and tracheas test. Now let's bring your shoulder like that. Move your neck to the side. Move your neck to the side. Do you feel any pain as you move your head like that?
No.
Okay, now move your head like this. Move your head like this. Move your head downward. Move your head upward. Is there difficulty when you move your head?
No.
Now, can you swallow for me? Your swallowing is normal. Movement of head is normal. Movement of neck is normal. Now, can you move to side, side, down, side, side. Do you feel any pain when you move your neck?
No.
So, the movement of the neck and the neck is normal. And now we're done. Ayun.